And we're back at it again on another hike here. Christine, what is this one called?
It's called Fish Canyon Narrows.
Fish Canyon Narrows. And it should be pretty dope. We're talking about 10 miles round trip. It's supposed to last about 6 hours. So we're probably going to get lost again and get all messed up on this one. But
yeah, so we started a little early to make sure we left time for getting lost.
and we brought flashlights just in case.
Yeah.
Hopefully we see some other cool stuff and other cool creatures.
Yep. Crossing the stream a few times.
Oh, yes.
Hopefully we won't get wet. I'm gonna just say now, Michael's definitely getting wet and I'm definitely not.
It's probably accurate. We found the water!
So right now we're passing through a old campground site and all the bugs, but there was a flood in the early 2000s that kind of just washed it out, whatever. And so basically after that, the park ranger people or whoever's in charge decided it wasn't worth trying to rebuild. So now it's just kind of open. You can obviously see the bathrooms over there. Come to the narrowing of the path. So now we've gone 4 miles, and this is, I think, like a little makeshift tent camp area if you want. I don't. And then this is also called Piano Prospect. We think this is an old mine area. It's called Piano Prospect because when there was an active mine here, the miners carried a piano up here. That's why it's Piano Prospect.
Piece of a railroad cart.
Oh, there's no railroad.
Oh, I found a frog. Hello, little friend. It's crazy to me how clear it all is. Found a waterfall.
hence the name The Narrows.
Well done. Woo.
We're noting it by this makeshift camp site, which again, not camping.
Cool fun. Ah! Well, we met a new friend hiking and we totally forgot to close out the hike. But there's more to our day, so we'll show you that. We're gonna get some sushi burrito right now, and yeah, that's as good as it sounds. Let's go. And the final piece of the puzzle, where he does bomb. You got custard, Italian ice, and then more custard on the bottom. Hey guys, sorry we didn't wrap up yesterday after our hike, but we got distracted by our new friend. Shout out to Brian. We're on another one now already, so Christine, can you give us the stats?
So our hike was 10.5 miles. It took us out 4.5 hours.
Boom.
Yep, so it was good. And then now if you want to subscribe, click over here and watch more videos over this way.
Peace. Christine's shadow, only one that walks beside me. Yeah.